This is Becca T-Von, your personal 17-minute trainer, and I am here to share with you the opportunities below. I'm not sure if you just want the powHERbands or you want me coming into your face every day, Monday through Friday, with my 17-minute program. Which one works for you? What are you looking for? I have amazing transformations. They have so much to offer to you. If you have had a hard time with your own weight loss or feeling good about yourself or your health, jump on in because you're going to be able to get health coaching, you're going to be getting cooking classes, ebooks, recipes, and the most amazing tribe. Let me tell you, these are such supportive women. So you guys, this offer, those offers down below are not going to be here after tonight. They are about to expire, so grab them now and create your best day ever. I love you, God bless, and happy Thanksgiving to you and your loved ones.